Welcome. Today, we're going to guide you on how to manage Gmail's access to your media on your PC. Follow these steps to ensure your privacy and control over your files. Begin by opening gmail.com in your web browser. Once the Gmail web page loads, look for the padlock icon located next to the web address. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Then select View Site Information. A window will appear displaying various site details. Locate and click on the Site Settings option. This will redirect you to a page where you can adjust how the Gmail website interacts with your device. Within the site settings, navigate to the Permissions section. Here, you'll find various permissions related to media access. Customize these permissions based on your preferences. You have the flexibility to allow or block Gmail from accessing your media files. To enable or disable Gmail's access to your media on your PC, simply toggle the permissions as needed. You can choose to grant access to specific media while restricting access to others, giving you full control over your content. Once you've set your preferences, be sure to save your changes. This ensures that your settings are applied each time you access Gmail on your PC. By managing these permissions effectively, you can protect your media files and maintain your privacy while using Gmail. Empower yourself with the tools to safeguard your digital content and control how Gmail interacts with your PC. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this tutorial helps you navigate Gmail's media access settings and empowers you to make informed decisions about your privacy and security online. Stay informed, stay in control, and keep your data safe.